Number 1. Avoiding cancer. As per logical research, ginger can decrease our introduction to malignant growth and colon aggravation. Despite the fact that there is a requirement for progressively broad examinations toward this path, however, advantages of ginger become clear sometime in the past, and we ought not overlook this great plant in our shopping records. Number 2. Helpful for weight loss. Weight reduction is an extremely famous point since loads of individuals wherever are not happy with their weight, and some of them turned out to be very frantic after various unbeneficial endeavors. It was discovered that ginger is entirely useful characteristic enhancement to food that triggers your digestion. This doesn't imply that you ought to eat more when you include ginger, yet works very well in blend with your endeavors to eat less. Number 3. Blood sugar cutting down. Another examination tried 41 volunteers with type 2 diabetes. They additionally had 2 grams of ginger that went with their everyday dinners. Toward the finish of trial, their glucose decreased by 12%, and this is a significant, astounding outcome that shows high power of ginger. While this is as yet strange way, and further research should have been increasingly sure in ginger potential and reveal how precisely it functions, however this is just a matter of timing. Number 4. Remedy for indigestion and nausea. Ginger is one of common guides for acid reflux issues. Likewise, it is an incredible solution for queasiness since it acts in our bodies as common antimicrobial. In the event that you happen to feel qualmish for reasons unknown, you can look at that it truly causes and reestablishes you to life in a jiffy. Number 5. Menstrual pain cure. This is a torment that solitary ladies know about, and it is called dysmenorrhea or menstrual colic. In some cases it tends to be very extraordinary and numerous ladies will go long to dial it down. Luckily, a cure has been found, and this is ginger once more. Just a single gram of ginger a day may incredibly lessen torment that racks collections of numerous females during their periods. An examination on 150 ladies affirmed this enchantment capacity of ginger, so it is exceptionally prudent to all ladies with such indications. Number 6. Less exposure to Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's infection, alongside malignancy, is considered as the scourge of present-day times. Shockingly, individuals of science are as yet searching for a powerful fix against this psychological issue. Some of them imagine that Alzheimer's can be activated by oxidative pressure and hopeless irritation, yet others accept that individuals expending ginger are not all that inclined to create Alzheimer's. At any rate, research facility creatures that ate food with ginger demonstrated incredible outcomes. Number 7. Reduces pain. It was likewise demonstrated that ginger can assist with dulling torment of various etiologies. A testing method indicated that individuals with torment brought about by elbow issues felt it significantly less in the wake of devouring 2 grams of ginger inside 11 days. Number 8. Skin improvement. Normal utilization of limited quantities of ginger will extraordinarily add to your skin improvement. There are nourishments that work from inside your framework, and ginger is among them. By quickening your processing, ginger rapidly expels from your gastrointestinal tract all harmful side effects that in any case would have negative impact on your skin. A piece of ginger discovers its way from your body by means of sweat, which brings about clear, rich and delicate skin. What's more, if your skin is harmed, your minor cuts and scraped spots will mend quicker gratitude to ginger bacteriostatic capacities. Number 9. Protecting from infection. Having ginger every day makes in total valuable impact on your general well-being and shields you from getting disease. It has a groundbreaking ginger role that can forestall the development of certain sorts of microbes. A few examinations demonstrated that ginger adequately battles provocative gum conditions, for example, periodontitis and gum disease. Ginger is additionally uncommonly powerful against respiratory contaminations, for instance, RSV. In the event that you have ginger every day, you will be resistant to various bugs that regularly bound us openly places in transport. Number 10. Managing of heartburn. A blasting torment in the chest called an acid reflux is a horrendous condition that makes incredible difficulties to certain individuals and makes them to look for pharmaceutical fix. In the event that you happen to be assaulted by attacks of indigestion, keeping a touch of ginger nearby will spare you an excursion to drugstore. Hostile to queasiness and mitigating qualities of ginger make it an ideal regular answer for this undesirable issue. Ginger not just assists with disposing of indigestion issues, however can forestall them. In the event that you devour ginger consistently,